Hi, my name is Andre. I lost my front teeth in an accident, and in the process of that, I had to get my front teeth and the bottom of my teeth fixed so I can look good for my wedding. My fiance, number one, she loves everything. She started crying actually when I walked in and she seen how everything turned out. I felt out of place. Every time I laughed, I had to cover my mouth. But now that I came to Dr. Siegel and got my mouth done, I feel like a new man. Everyone says it looks natural. I smile a lot. I got the Kool-Aid smile now. Everything's back to normal. I don't have to worry about covering my mouth when I smile. Dr. Siegel, he made me feel comfortable with doing everything that was done. I would recommend Dr. Siegel to any and everyone that I come in contact with when it's regarding dental work.